Inspirasyon ng bagong talagang Armed Forces Chief of Staff, Lieutenant General Emmanuel Bautista sa pagpapalaganap ng kapayapaan ang kanyang yumaong ama na si Brigadier General Chodulfo Bautista, ang Commanding General ng 1st Tabac Division ng Philippine Army na minasakir ng mga rebelde noong taong 1977 sa lalawigan ng Sulu. Sa kanyang talumpati, ipinangako naman ni Bautista na kanyang ilalaan ang panunungkulan sa bayan para palaganapin ang kapayapaan.
I dedicate my service as Chief of Staff, AFP, to all of you. But most of all, I dedicate this final chapter in my military service to my father, the bedrock from where I stand here before you today. He was and always be my inspiration and role model as a soldier for peace.
Tiniyak pa ni Bautista na kanyang gagampanan ng matuwid ang nakaatang na mandatong sinumpaan.
To the Filipino people, I pledge that I shall lead the armed forces of the Philippines pursue two major undertakings, namely the fulfillment of our constitutional mandate and the pursuit of security sector reform initiatives. Our Constitution has bestowed on us the distinct title of being the protectors of the people and the state, with the goal of securing the sovereignty of the state and the integrity of the national territory. We intend to fulfill this constitutional mandate through the following trust: winning the peace, securing our national territory, and assisting in disaster response and rehabilitation.
Ipinangako ni Bautista na paglilingkuran niya ng tapat ang bayan sa nalalawing panahon ng kanyang panunungkulan. Iyan ang DCRH News sa Campo Aguinaldo, RH 911, Bing Formento, naglilingkod sa pagbabalita.